Welcome to the question number 22. Why did some Muslims respond with protest and violence against the portrayal of Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam in the form of cartoons or in film? This question referred to protest, sometime erupting into lethal violence, as in 2015 in Paris, attack in response to cartoons published in a French weekly, and in 2012 Benghazi attack against 2 American government facilities in Libya, reported in response to the film Innocence of Muslims, which was derogatory to the Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, which was totally against Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam's character. Muslim leaders and organizations around the world, even in countries that restrict the publication of such offensive material, vigorously condemned these instances of violence. The great majority of the Muslim Americans and the Muslim elsewhere affirm the right to freedom of expression. In addition, it is important to stress that these violent reactions have generally been fueled by political issues that compounded anger at the offensive images. Investigation into Benghazi attack found that it was in fact long planned by militants, while the Paris attack were the work of the militant who has been trying to recruit French Muslims to Al-Qaeda by creating an incident that would isolate them from other French people. In both cases, the offensive representation served as a pretext. Understand and remember that. In both cases, the offensive representation of Prophet ﷺ served as a pretext. At the same time, many Muslims find lack of respect in many secular societies for sacred symbols, regardless of the religion involved, to be offensive. The Prophet Muhammad ﷺ respected other religions and respected their sacred symbols, and the Quran prohibited reviling the followers of the other religion and that which they hold sacred. Lastly, please be noted that in USA it is a crime to make any negative comments. Forget about making any cartoon or any bad statue about Holocaust issue. Thank you.